Did you know that a tiny static shock can carry over 30,000 volts? It might just tingle, but that's serious voltage. Still, it's not voltage that kills, it's current. Just 0.1 amps passing through your heart can be fatal. And if your skin is wet, the danger increases because water lowers your body's resistance, allowing electricity to flow more easily. Even more intense? A lightning strike delivers over 1 billion volts and heats the air hotter than the surface of the sun. And in strong electric shocks, your muscles can contract so hard that you can't even let go of the source. Always respect electricity. It's more powerful than it seems.